No way.
Long time.
Wow, 20 years.
Bro, all the way over here.
How are you, buddy?
I heard we got a first timer coming out today.
Yeah, we have. Rachel.
Hi.
Rachel, I'm Shaun. Nice to meet you.
Hey Shaun, Harry.
Harry.
Pleasure to meet you.
Good to meet you. First timer.
Zero experience.
This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Give us just a few tries,
Yeah, fine.
and we'll go one step at a time and celebrate all the wins. All right, let's head out.
Fantastic.
Let's
Great
go,
to
let's
see
go.
you.
Let's go.
Come on then.
I'm probably only gonna last a couple minutes before I get too anxious and want to jump out there with you. Now get to the top of it. On top.
Come on, Dad. Let's go.
I want you to fade back. Yes! Amazing. So awesome to see. Because what happens is the board, you want it to be able to speed up and you want it to be able to slow down.
Let's go, Bob.
Stay down, stay down. Cut left, cut left, cut left, don't look down.
Bob, it's a nickname. There you go.
That was really good.
When it goes wrong, it goes wrong. Man, that's a good time right there. An SDX 270 surf, impressive wave and good times. Sea Ray, nice work.